In this video, I'll show you how to make a cheap mic sound good and professional in only 1 minute. The current microphone I'm using is a Logitech H390 and only costs $20. As a demonstration, this is what the audio quality sounds like before enhancing it. And here's what the audio quality sounds like after using a free tool called Adobe Speech Enhancement. To get a podcast quality sound, connect your mic to your computer, and then go to the website podcast.adobe.com/enhance. Make a sample audio recording from your cheap microphone, then simply drag and drop the audio file to upload it. Currently, it accepts MP3 and WAV files with a maximum duration of 1 hour. Once your recording has been converted, you can download the newly enhanced audio file to your computer. And that's all there is to it. A link to Adobe Podcast Audio Enhancer can be found in this video's description. If this video is helpful to you, please do me a favor and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and have an awesome day.